Environmental pollution. What does environment mean? Everything that surrounds us forms our environment. Our environment consists of living and non-living things like air, water, land, plants and animals. But over times, humans have carried out various activities to suit their needs that have caused changes in the environment. In doing so, humans have become the greatest threat to the environment. The harm caused to the environment is called pollution. In other terms, we can say that the harmful changes made in the environment due to human activities are called pollution. There are four main types of pollution: water pollution, air pollution, land pollution, and noise pollution. Air pollution. The mixing of harmful gases, dust, smoke, and other particles in the air is called air pollution. Industries and vehicles are the main sources of air pollution. Other than that, burning of garbage also leads to air pollution. Air pollution may cause a number of deadly diseases. Hence, the main causes of air pollution, however, are human-made factors. Smoke from factories, vehicles, burning of fuels, and firecrackers pollute the air around us. Sometimes, these pollutants combine with natural substance. For example, smoke, which is combination of smoke and fog. It looks like a cloud and makes the air hazy. It is very harmful and causes breathing problems. Water pollution. When harmful substances are discharged in water bodies, they causes water pollution. Fresh water, salty water, and groundwater can get polluted. Sometimes water pollution is caused by natural factors. For example, storms often cause soil and other particles to dissolve in water. But most of the water pollution is because of the human activities. Like industries are the major sources of water pollution. Toxic, that means poisonous, household and industrial waste released in water bodies pollutes them, like dumping chemical waste from factories, dumping household waste and untreated sewage into the water bodies, bathing and washing clothes in rivers and lakes, and leakage from oil tankers all causes water pollution. And water pollution is very harmful for plants, animals, and humans, as diseases like jaundice, typhoid are caused by drinking polluted water. Land pollution. Land or soil gets polluted when harmful substances are released into it. The main cause of land pollution is dumping of solid waste such as plastic bags, glass bottles, and metal containers, all causes land pollution. Other than that, the refuse from forest and agriculture or mines left or dumped in a ground causes land pollution. which also harms the organisms living in the soil. Noise pollution. The excessive and unpleasant sound in our environment is called noise or sound pollution. Vehicles, loudspeakers, etc. are the sources of noise pollution. Exposure to loud noise over a long period of time may even cause deafness. The cars and bus horns, home appliances such as vacuum cleaner, washing machine, air conditioners, mixer grinders, and firecrackers are some of the other examples that causes noise pollution. The damage to the environment affects us directly. We must do whatever we can to protect our environment. Controlling pollution is crucial for life to continue on this planet. So, Green Revolution, the best solution to arrest pollution.